Hello everyone, and welcome to our another LinkedIn episode. Can people see if you viewed their LinkedIn profile? I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Livy Ltd, the leadership transformational company for entrepreneurs, leaders, and founders who want to upgrade their personal profile or even create it and also rewire their mindset because we are creating high performance brands through strategy and health. So let's take a look at if the people can actually view, if people can see if you viewed their LinkedIn profile. So, ever found yourself scrolling through someone's LinkedIn profile and suddenly wondered, can they actually see this that I am like scrolling? Well, you're not alone. LinkedIn is unique because it does notify people when their profile is viewed, depending on a few key settings. So let's take a look at them. What happens when you view someone's profile and how to control what actually people can see. So there are LinkedIn profile viewing visibilities. So here are a few things that you need to know. By default, LinkedIn shows your name, headline, and profile photo when you view someone's profile. But there are also three visibility settings. So the first one is public. They will see your full profile, name, headline, location. Then there is a semi-private. You will show up as something like someone in the marketing industry. And then there is the private mode. You appear as a LinkedIn member, and that's it. And your identity is fully hidden. Uh, Also, then the third viewing visibility is that if you use the private mode, LinkedIn hides your views, but also you lose the access who views your profile unless you upgrade to premium. So this is really good to know because as the private account, maybe it's good to spy on other people with the premium. So how to browse in private mode? It's really easy. So you first need to change your profile to the private or semi-private mode. So in my case, I have a public profile. So let's take a look how to then change it. So you will go to the setting and the privacy, and here you will choose the visibility and then profile viewing options, which is the first one, and here you will choose which one you want to get. So either the private mode, private your name and headline. So this is really important which one you want to have. I actually didn't know that I have the private. Interesting. So here you change it, and then you can you also use and view other people's profiles. Uh, some tip, use private mode when researching competitors or recruiters or when building lists, but switch back when you want to network actually. So who sees that you viewed their profile? Um, First, free LinkedIn users only see limited insights, usually the last 5 viewers. Then the premium users get access to a 90-day history and advanced viewer analytics. And the third, if you are in a public mode, the person will get notified that you viewed them, name, title, and all. So this is something for you to take into consideration. And there are also best practices and mistakes to avoid when it comes to the visibility. So first, let's take a look at the three best practices. First, use the public mode. When you are actively networking, this helps you get noticed by recruiters and the peers. The second one is that you should switch to the private mode when you are doing research or competitors analysis. And the third is that send a message after viewing. If you want to build a connection, for example, send, hi, I came across your profile and would love to connect, or something like this. Then let's take a look at the mistakes to avoid. So there are three of them. So first, constantly switching modes without a strategy can limit your insights. The second, viewing someone's profile repeatedly in a public mode without any follow up. So why would you even go, or like you don't want to spam people, you want to actually network with them. And the third is assuming that no one can ever know. It all depends on your settings and theirs. So just don't assume. Yes, people can see if you view their profile, but you have full control over that. Whether you are building connections or quietly researching, knowing how these settings work help you use LinkedIn more intentionally. So we have answered right now the question, can people see if you viewed their LinkedIn profiles? And the answer is yes. So if you want to know more about the tips from LinkedIn, then go to mariolevy.com and then click on articles. And here I'm publishing daily tips about LinkedIn and beyond. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Levy Ltd, the leadership transformational company, and we upgrade the personal brands and also create them if you need, and rewiring your mindset for the high performance. And get in touch with me on LinkedIn if you want to know more. And just let me know that you're coming from this episode, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.